My name is NAVYA SRI. I am from Khammam. I have done my graduation in Aeronautical Engineering College in triple streaming in 2023. So after that I joined in Qspiders in April 2024. So I joined in testing course in manual testing in Selenium. So here manual testing I undergone training with Kishore sir, and core Java I undergone training with Prem sir, and automation testing learned from Nandini ma'am, and API testing is learned from Hemant sir only. So before joining Qspiders I don't have proper skills. So after joining in Qspiders only I learned proper skills, and I learned how to behave in interviews. So how can I about Qspiders I know from my sister only. She is also joined in Qspiders only, and she got job from here only. So that's why I got inspiration and I joined in Qspiders. Here I participated in mocks and presentations, and also before the interviews they give grooming, how to behave in interviews, and all those things they will tell. All these things are helpful to me. So